Hello students. So in the series of projection of a straight line, today I am taking another problem on a straight line that is inclined to both the planes. If you remember earlier we discussed two problems, in one which the angles theta and phi will be given to me. In another problem we have solved when the top view and the front view will be given. Today I am taking another problem, very interesting problem. Just read this problem. They are saying a line AB 90 mm long is inclined at 45 degree to the HP and its top view makes an angle of 60 degree with the VP. Look at this statement. The top view makes an angle of 60 degree with the VP. The end A is in the HP and 12 millimeter in front of the VP. Draw its front view, find its true inclination with the VP. Again in this problem, as you know that true length will be given to me and the first end, that is the end A, will be given, that is on the HP, or you can say in the HP and 12 millimeter in front of the VP. So we should start with the first point. So I can plot the first point, that will be A. So A dash will be on the reference line as the point will be on the HP and its top view will be below the reference line by 12 mm. This is given in the problem. As you remember that in earlier problems I have given you a concept that whenever a line will be inclined to both the plane, we should solve that problem in number of steps. And in the initial stage, what we suppose that our line is parallel to both the planes. So if this line is parallel to both the plane, then in both the view I will get the true length of the line. So firstly I am going to draw a line that is parallel to both. फिर से याद दिलाता हूँ आपको कि अपन ने बात की थी कि जब भी लाइन इंक्लाइन टू बोथ द प्लेन होती है, प्रॉब्लम को हम नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स में सॉल्व करते हैं. और पहला स्टेप हम क्या सपोज करते हैं, अगर ट्रू लेंथ गिवन है प्रॉब्लम में, तो पहला स्टेप सपोज करता हूँ मैं कि सब माई लाइन इज पैरेलल टू बोथ, मेरी लाइन दोनों प्लेन के पैरेलल है. और आप जानते हैं जब पैरेलल टू बोथ द प्लेन होती है तो दोनों व्यू में ट्रू लेंथ शो करती है और दोनों व्यू में एक्स वाई के पैरेलल विजिबल भी होती है. तो सबसे पहले मैं लाइन बना रहा हूँ दैट इज पैरेलल टू बोथ द प्लेन. सो टॉप व्यू में मैं बना रहा हूँ इसको. फ्रंट व्यू में ऑलरेडी आप देख रहे हैं कि ऑलरेडी वो एक्स वाई पे ही बनने वाली है. सो दिस इज माई लाइन, दिस विल बी, यू कैन से दैट विल बी B1 dash and this will be B1 and this length will be 90 mm. So I have taken the first step, my line is parallel to both the plane. So both the projection will show the true length A dash B1 dash, that is the front view, that is true length, A B1, that is also true length. Now in the second step I am going to make this line inclined 45 to HP. 45 angle will be given to me, that is the inclination of the line with the HP. So I will make this line inclined 45 to HP. So I can mark 45 angle. So make it inclined 45 to HP. Now as you know that when the line will be inclined to HP by some angle, the length of the front view is not going to change. The top view is going to change. So front view A dash को center ले, take the A dash center and A dash B1 dash equals to radius. Rotate it like this and you will get the next position of the line, that is the point B2 dash. Now our line is inclined 45 degree to HP, is still parallel to VP. So its top view will be on the old top view. So drop perpendicular from B2 dash on the AB1 and you will get the point B2. I will color this line. Now look at this pink line. This is inclined to HP and parallel to VP and we got the length of top view. As you already know that from the earlier concept, when a line will be inclined to one plane HP and top view will be changed. Now if the same line will be again inclined to VP also, the top view is not going to change again. So that value will be equals to our final top view, that is AB. And earlier we used this formula that our AB will be equals to AB2. Another thing I got, that is the distance of the point B2 dash will be fixed and if I draw a locus line parallel from this point, then that line will be the locus of B dash. So also I got the B dash, locus of B dash. Now in the third step, now look at this statement. Top view makes an angle. Top view means the final angle, that is beta angle. So this time beta angle will be given to me. That is a new thing in the problem. So I will make in the top view this line inclined 60 degree to the VP, and we will rotate which length? The final top view length. So rotate this top view as the top view will be inclined by 60 degree. So take A as center, AB2 as radius, and rotate it like this, and you will get the point final, that is B. Now this line is inclined 60 degree to, top view of the line will be inclined 60 degree to the VP. Now from this you can easily mark its front view. So go upside perpendicular where it is going to cut the locus line, that will be point B dash. Join this B dash with A dash and you will get the final projection. So this is the final line which is inclined to both the reference plane. One more thing they want from us the true inclination of a line with VP. You know that true inclination of a line with VP will be visible when the line will be parallel to HP. Right now this line is inclined to both. So what I will do, I will reverse it and I will make it parallel to VP. So parallel to VP means A dash B dash will be turned and shifted to the XY line. So I will rotate this A dash B dash from this position to the reference line, so that the line will be on the HP. Now when the line will be on the HP, suppose this will be B3 dash, now it will show its true length in the top view as well as the true inclination. Also from this B you can draw a locus line, that is the locus of B. On this we will get this B3. So draw perpendicular from this, and where it cuts this, that is the point B3. Now join this A with B3. You will get again the true length and you can get phi. So this angle will be phi, and if you want to cross check, then this true length will be equals to this true length. So it means we have solved it correctly. तो अगर मैं सेकेंड स्टेप को फिर से देखूं तो सेकेंड स्टेप में मैंने क्या बोला कि मैंने लाइन को HP से इंक्लाइन करके मुझे टॉप व्यू मिल गया था. अब मुझे लाइन का टॉप व्यू का एंगल मालूम था, तो मैंने 60 एंगल पे A से लाइन ड्रॉ की और उस पर किसको शिफ्ट किया, फाइनल टॉप व्यू को, एंड वी गॉट द फाइनल B मुझे मिल गया, AB मिल गई, AB से A डैश B डैश मिल गया. अब क्योंकि मुझे लाइन का ट्रू इंक्लिनेशन VP से फाइंड करना था, आप जानते हैं VP से ट्रू एंगल कब विजिबल होता है, जब लाइन HP के पैरेलल होती है. तो मैंने यहाँ रिवर्स किया, मैंने लाइन जो ऑलरेडी इंक्लाइन टू बोथ थी उसको पैरेलल टू HP किया. तो A डैश B डैश को टर्न करके मैं कहाँ लेके आया, A डैश के लोकस पे, दैट इज ऑन द XY लाइन. तो मतलब लाइन कहाँ पे हो गई मेरी HP पे, और इसका टॉप व्यू प्लॉट किया. AB3 विल बी द टॉप व्यू, आप क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हैं, ये AB3 लाइन ट्रू लेंथ के बराबर है, एंड दिस एंगल विल बी phi, that is the inclination of the line with the VP. I hope you understand the problem. Solve this on your sketchbook. Thank you.